Okay, so in order to make coconut oil, all you need is a coconut. And here we have Henry performing the first step. You need to separate the shell from the meat.
Done deal.
That is the second step, is to remove all of the coconut meat from the coconut, because that is what the coconut oil is made from. So here we have a nice juicy piece of meat. That is going to be crucial for the production of the coconut oil. No utensil made to do this, so we're using a combination of spoons and knives to remove the meat. And as you see, there's a bit of black remnants from the shell, so it is good to remove as much of the shell as possible, as Henry has done there, nearly cutting his finger off. So now that we've separated the meat from the coconut, the next step is to cut it into little pieces so it is small enough to get blended in a blender. Here is our finely diced coconut, and now it is ready to go into the blender. And it's best to blend this alone, but if you're having trouble blending it, it's totally fine to put some water in there to help it out a bit. Okay, here we go. So here is our liquefied coconut, and the next step is to pour it through a coffee filter to remove as much of the solid bits as possible. Oh, see, look at that. That is working beautifully.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm slightly impressed.
We're kind of good at this. Yeah, and if you need to use a spoon to push more through or even squeeze the filter, that is totally acceptable. Okay, so while we're waiting for the rest of that to filter through, I'm going to tell you about some interesting facts about coconut oil. So in ancient times, coconut trees were referred to as divine trees or wish-giving trees because they were so versatile, every part of a coconut could be used. And today they don't have as much of a divine or religious importance, but in the cosmetics world they have a multitude of uses, like repairing dry or damaged hair. It's in a lot of makeup removers, and I'd say the most common one is in a body moisturizer and lotions. Okay, so here is our filtered coconut. All the hard work is done. The final step is to just let this sit for about 24 hours, and the curd and the oil will separate. And also you can accelerate the process a little bit by putting it in the fridge. So we're just gonna stick this in the fridge, and in 24 hours or less, the curd and the oil will separate. So once the curd is removed, we will have our pure virgin coconut oil ready to be used.